Now it's already 8 o'clock. Okay, so we will continue our class, begin our class now. Okay, so today we will enter the new, so welcome back to our class. So last week we already finished up the first chapter, chapter 7, Gases Exchange. Okay, so today we will enter the new chapter. So the new chapter is chapter 8, which is transport. So in this chapter, there are two subtopics, only two subtopics. However, only two subtopics, but the content is quite long. Okay, so the two main subtopic is about the transport in mammalian and also transport in plants. So today we will focus only about the transport in mammalian. So for me, I will separate into two parts for mammalian because it's too much. So hopefully I can finish up the 3 learning outcome that be prepared by MPM. So you see my Telegram group, I already mentioned the outcome lah. So if you see the outcome, normally the first outcome is about the mammalian structure, mammalian heart structure. You need to know the structure of our heart, mammalian heart. Mammalian is our like us lah. Human is one type of mammalian, and not only human, cat, dog, elephant, tiger, all that is considered as mammalian. But it's an easy example is we use human lah as example. Okay, another second outcome is about the cardiac cycle, and then the third outcome is about the heartbeat. Okay, so we will focus these three outcome only. Okay, for today lah, today class. Okay, so okay, and then as a same reminder that if you have any question, you can type in the chat box. I will when I free, I will see it lah. Okay, okay. So So before we begin our class, so I think everyone is know that MPN just announced that the result of your semester 1, right, you already set semester 1 in January, right? So yeah, your result in semester 1 is already, MPM already announced the date, the release date. So it is on the 25th April lah. So yeah, I hope that everyone, maybe you are very confident. I hope that everyone can get your good result maybe, but don't worry if you get the worst result, the bad result, never mind, you can register for U1 lah. But I hope that everyone will not have do this lah. Okay. Okay, so this is just an announcement for you guys. For those who don't know yet, don't know when your sem 1 result release. So your sem 1 result will be released on 25th April, and then you can check online. You can check online lah. Using this link in MPM portal. Okay. Okay. Now we will proceed to the mammalian heart structure. Okay, so this is the first learning outcome, and there is a basic learning outcome lah. I think this one already you guys already learned in SPM 2. So this is just like the revision lah, revision only. Okay, so I think mammalian heart structure, I think this structure everyone should know already, right? Everyone know this structure already, right? This is our mammalian structure lah. And then this is all the label lah. You need to know. But not all. The basic label later I will explain it. But this is just the normal mammalian structure, mammalian heart structure. Okay, and then this one is also mammalian heart structure. Okay. Okay. So firstly, I need to mention about the size of the heart. Okay, so our heart, our mammalian heart, human, our size is known as is in the clamfish size. Dia macam ni punya. Clamfish is the awak clap together macam ni punya. On macam ni punya. So normally in adult, our heart size is like this one. If you want to know your size of the heart, it's like this. If you like this, then this one is your size of the heart at here one. Okay, so this is a very important structure you need to know. You need to know that our heart size is clenched fist. Clenched fist. Okay. Okay, so this is the first point you need to know. And then secondly is about the location. So I think everyone know that, though in general, our heart location is on the left hand side, right? Is on the left hand side, right? In general, almost all human, but there are also several rarely case that the heart location is on the right hand side one. So there are the very rare case lah, but still there are the possibility that the human heart location is on the right hand side. So in examination, you cannot write that your heart is at the left hand side. You cannot write like this. If you write like this, wrong. Why? Because not all human heart is on your left hand side one. Some maybe in nowadays the world got people the heart is at the right hand side one. So you cannot mention that if you exam the question ask you to write the structure of heart, and then you say that our heart location is on the right hand side, is on the left hand side, then no marks up. You will not given any marks because this point is inaccurate, not accurate point. So how do you want to mention it? If you want to mention heart location, you need to be mentioned specifically. You need to mention that it is located in the chest cavity known as middle mediastinum, directly under the breastbone. So this is breastbone. Breastbone is another name is sternum. So this uh is the here. So it is located behind our breastbone. So sternum, I think everyone is know sternum is the bone that at the middle part. If you know that this one two three four, that it right here is big catch, right? And then our heart normally is located behind the sternum. This sternum. So behind the sternum, there are the cavity we known as they are the cavity known as chest cavity, and then the scientific name is known as medial mediastinum. Medial mediastinum. Okay, so this is the location of heart in human only lah. I just mentioned in human because in human only. But if you want to mention about the dog, the cat, they are the different location lah. Different location one. Because human, like dog and cat, the position of the heart maybe is different compared to human. Yeah. Okay, so this one you need to alert. Okay. And then next one, I need to mention about the heart coverage tissue. Okay, we know that heart, jantung kami, the coverage tissue, one of the coverage tissue is cardiac muscle, right? You will still remember that in semester one, you learn about the type of muscle tissue. You know that you have skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle, right? And then cardiac muscle is only special for the heart only. Okay, but okay. So you know that cardiac muscle is one of the coverage tissue, and another coverage tissue in the outermost layer of heart is known as pericardium tissue. This is the outermost layer coverage tissue of the heart. So if you see here this diagram, this is the 3D diagram that when they make up in 3D, you know myocardium and endocardium is the one type of cardiac muscle, and then pericardium is the outermost layer one. So pericardium is outermost layer one. So there are two types of pericardium, but this one you don't need to know. You just want to know that pericardium is located in the outermost layer of the heart, and there is one type of connective tissue enclose the heart. So I already said it is already outermost layer. And then a smooth layer of endothelium cover the inner surface of the pericardium and the outer surface of the heart. Okay, and then between these two surfaces is a small pericardial cavity filled with fluid, which reduce